GreenKeeper pre-beta checks teas.
Next up on the pre-beta check would be our teas. So, couple of things to check for teas is, or what I like to check is, obviously visually, if we've got problems, so you see there's a blend there that I would say is probably a little bit wonky, but mainly at this stage, because again, that's artistic and this is more sort of technical, make sure our teas are all in the right order, that if we have junior and par 3 teas, that they are set appropriately and not in trees or blocked out by a tree or whatever. And you can, if you want, also make use of the T-slope and grid to line them up centrally on your tee boxes. Make sure they line up. Yeah, so they line up with your aim points and that your tee markers aren't going to come off the sides and things like that. I will leave the show T-slope on, but I won't be tweaking too much for centralization as part of this. But the main thing I'd fly around and check is that the order is always the same, if that's the nature of the design, of course, which it normally is. Not always. That would depend on your design. But mainly that they're all there and they're all set correctly. So we have got on this layout black, blue, white, yellow, and then junior and par 3. So we've got black, blue, white, yellow, junior, and par 3. You could have VS Pro on for this. If there's anyone which is a little bit dicey, say it was right over here somewhere. But generally, the design you've probably set them. So if you haven't set them on purpose, they'll be well out of the way. And again, during playtest, you might get comment for movement. So that may be more of a playtest thing. But yeah, just make sure they actually have been set. Now, if the course has good flow, you should be able to pick your way around. But if not, you'll have to use the zoom to view each time. But hopefully you can generally navigate your way around. And you know the course anyway. So we're looking for black, blue, white, yellow, junior, par 3. So black, blue, white, yellow. We've got a junior there and then a par 3. So that's fine. So what's this whole 3? So black, blue. The T-slope indicator, you can see there it's a little bit wavy at the back. So they don't have to be on the green. It's on the green part. It's better if they are, but they don't have to be so much because it's basically looking for zero slope. And if it isn't, then it'll give it a bit of a. But this, as you can see here, like you wouldn't want it on that bit, but this bit here is probably fine. So that's what you can check. So black, blue, white, yellow, and you've got your junior playing slightly longer than your yellow, which is a bit unusual, and it's going into this green over here. I'd be tempted. That could be quite a hard shot for a junior as well. So this is the point where you might have to make design decisions. Is that the best place for a junior tee or not? I don't know. You could arguably put your junior off this path over here, for instance, or whatever. But yeah, but the par 3's there. Sometimes you get a par 3 that's a bit hidden, so you can then select the hole and you can see it's playing 1 3 5, so you'd know to look roughly around the area of your G&Ts. I might even line these up so they're all exact. So yeah, so that's how you'd go through it. So we'll just quickly whiz through. So black, blue, white, yellow. You've got a junior and then a par 3. That's fine. So where's hole 4? Just 5 on black, blue, white, yellow, junior and our par 3. So we're coming back this way. Black, blue, white, yellow, junior and par 3. Again, that's not a particularly easy shot for a junior. So you could bring it up on the path and make it a little chip. Oh, this was a hazard that we didn't actually fix. So you might notice things as you're flying around when you're checking this. So this hazard was no, I'm guessing that's hazard 13, I think. Yeah, hazard 13. It's got some floating points there. Just bring those down. could be a result of a terrain adjust or something like that. So we'll carry on. So black, blue, white, yellow, junior, and then par 3. 8, black, blue, white, yellow, junior, and par 3. So that's good. 9, black, blue, white, yellow, and our par 3 and our junior up here. That's all good. So is this 10? No, it's 1. Is this 10? Yeah, so black, blue, white, yellow, all is good. Junior and par 3. I'll turn off those hazard lines because they're confusing me a touch. 11. So 11 we've got. Alright, so 11 could be an interesting one. Because we've got a slight black, blue. Oh no, they are playing longer. Black, blue, white, yellow. So it's going that way. So I suppose, yeah, it's going there. Right, that's okay. Black, blue, white, yellow, junior, par 3. And then black, blue, white, yellow, junior, and par 3. Sorry if this is making anyone feel sick. Black, blue, white, yellow, our junior and par 3 there. Black, blue, white. So our yellow and our junior down here. Junior and par 3. And then this black's on. See, this is what I mean. This one's on a little bit of a red area, but it's pretty flat. I should probably put a little bit more forgiveness in this slope shader, to be honest. But that's fine. Black, blue, white, yellow, junior, and par 3. 16. And we've got some double here, which leads me to believe we might have a double green spline or something there. That's why we're getting a double grid line. So that's another quite useful indicator when you're doing this. It might help you pick out. I would suggest there's an issue on this course where there's a double mesh there and it's making 2 T meshes. Might not be that. It might be something else. You could have a rogue component. But yeah, just make a note of things and have a look. So black, blue, white, yellow, junior and par 3. And then we're up here, are we? 17, black, blue, white, yellow and junior again. I'd be tempted to put my junior down there just because I think it's a little bit brutal making them play over water like that. But that's a design choice. And then 18, black, blue, white, yellow, junior, and then par 3. And that's it. That's it for tees. That's again, it's taken a little while, but it'd be a bit quicker if you were just rattling through it. And that's how you would check your tees in your pre-beta check.